Hi, this is Ketana. In this video, we are going to see about broadcasting. Broadcasting means NumPy perform operation automatically across the NumPy array. Okay, means I'll be more clear with examples. Okay, take a store manager who was selling a different kind of product with a different range. Okay, so let's say take this is amount. Okay, he's selling for one product for 100 and 200 and 400 and so on. So now he want to give a discount to each product in his store. Okay, to do that, first we want to get the discount amount from store manager. Discount equal to int input of discount. Okay, now after getting a discount, we have to get a tax from the store manager to get the final price. Okay, so we are having a tax is a float value, so we are getting in float format input tax. So we got our data. Now we are going to apply it. Discount price. It's really very simple, guys. Price minus discount. Prices minus discount. That's it. Okay. Print. Here you can see that where you just have to add the subtract. You don't have to use a for loop to apply in all value. The NumPy will take care of it. Now we have to add the tax to the discounted price. Okay, so final price discounted price star tax. Print of final prices. So it was asking store manager discount price. Okay, for example, he is going to give 20 as a discount. Now the tax for example, take 1.2. okay, so now the discounted price was 80. Now after adding a tax and everything, the product was selling for 96. Okay, now we are going to see about two-dimensional broadcasting. This is as simple as one-dimensional one. Okay, so let's take this mark. Okay, now teacher want to give a grace mark to all the student. For example, she want to give a +5 to all the student. Okay, so to do that, just we have to give marks -5. Sorry, she give a grace mark, right? +5. Okay, now you can see that all the element was added to +5. Okay, now we have a two-dimensional broadcasting multiplication. This is a little bit tricky, so watch clearly. Okay, so we have a stall outside. They are selling a different food. One is burger, pizza and drinks. Okay, now first day he sold 2 burgers, 3 pizzas and 1 drinks. Second day he sold 4 burgers, 2 pizzas and 5 drinks. Okay, so now the one burger price was 100, pizza was 200, drinks was 50. He want now she want a report. Okay, for how much the sales per day she wanted. Okay, to do that, really this is very simple. Amount equal to sales star price. Okay, remaining the operation was taken care by NumPy. Okay, now we can see burger sold for 200 on first day. To be in clear, I use a for. Okay, day amount in enumerate, we give that amount. Second, we give a day. Okay, start with 1. Print day amount. So first day, this is amount 200, 650. So I add another for to expand that. Okay, for we have that item and A for amount. Okay, in zip we zip both these items. Okay, items and this amount. Okay, we zip this both and we see item A. Okay, now we can see in a day 1 burger was sold for 200 and a day 1 pizza was sold for 600 and drinks 50 and the next day. So go on. Okay, I hope this is understanding to you. Thank you for watching.